Hi friends, 5 minute chart, news candle update, 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 1 day chart, balance on it, 135.32 dollar to the profit. Forex sector news, high and big news Euro, high and big news USD, core CPI, CPI news high and big news, Euro high and big news, ECB news. September 12 is USD high and big news to handle market close 30 September 40 September market close. No losses, small profit. Last Friday profit 17580 dollar. Last Friday profit.